Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix voice chat not working in Roblox. All right, let's begin. First, join a Roblox game and check the top corner for a headset icon. If you see it, click it to join voice chat. If there's a microphone icon, make sure it isn't muted. Next, open the menu by pressing the Roblox icon or the ESC key. Then go to Settings. Scroll down to the voice chat option and set it to Connected. After that, check your input and output devices. Set the input device to your microphone and the output device to your headset or speakers. Also, ensure your volume is turned up so you can hear other players clearly. Make sure the game you are playing supports voice chat, as not all Roblox games have this feature enabled. If it still doesn't work, leave the game and open the Roblox app settings. Go to Account Info and consider adding your phone number if the option is available. Finally, verify your age. In the personal settings, select Continue with Selfie or Continue with Camera and complete the verification process. This step is required to unlock voice chat features. So that's basically how you can fix voice chat not working in Roblox. That's it for this video. Thanks.